Well, we have a story to tell, folks. This is Shippy the Explorer. Well, it was a short tape. Welcome back to this. You know, we always teaching you something. You know, we have this couch or this setting furniture set, and for how many years?
Have it from the whole house. So it's
30
about,
something years. And it's got damaged, not because of the usage, but because every time our kid would come home, a couple of them would take the marker or the pen and write onto this. Now we had bought this expensive set, leathery set or leather, and then every time the kid marked the leather, I would take soap and water and go rub it off, not knowing that it's leather, it's live material. So it deteriorated. And after so many years, this thing material is so good, we are trying to restore it. So Shirley went out and bought
the closest color to what's here. This is what I
it's
find.
completely different. But
Yeah.
this material is a leathery material, and I think how do you just
It has like a tape.
right
It's like a tape. So we're gonna cut it to fit.
to fit
Then just
then
bring the
paste
tape
it
down and paste it on.
onto it.
So
And that's
hopefully
what
it
we're gonna do.
works. Hopefully.
It works. Yeah, hopefully it works. Okay. Yeah. All right. So the thing material is 15 by 24 or 36. So what we're gonna do now is demonstrate how we get this done. Maybe we should put the it's gonna pick up. All right, so let's see. Okay, so
Okay. Then we have to decide. This is good. And this go over here.
a petit can go down in here, say.
No, we don't want to do hard, but we want to cover up at least there. Then we can probably do something to this to put it in. But the most important thing is here covered.
We can't put on this until we get this. So we have to get this. All right, so what I'll do, get the pencil, put this underneath there, right? And then this looks like it will go there. So get the pencil
And we do the same
and mark this out.
size.
Come, get the
Right there.
pencil.
Hold on to this.
All right, get the pencil. And when I squeeze it, there's a technique that you do. Basically, squeeze pencil. Yeah. All right. So you see this ridge?
Mm-hmm.
You see mark right, or you want to do it and I mark it.
You do the mark and I hold it.
Hold. Put the pressure there. Put the pressure there.
Oh, you're gonna do it right at the ridge.
Yeah. And then let's show them. So we're doing this. So we're gonna cut it right along the ridge. Right along the ridge. And oops.
Hold it. Come help down here. So
Well, let go that and come out here. Let go that and come out here, so we can get the ridge. So I can feel the ridge. Where the ridge is.
back here.
It come this way.
Mm-hmm.
So it shifts a little bit.
Yeah, it is. Let's try and get it back in place.
All right.
And come this way.
Okay. All right. So it doesn't matter. So we're marking out the ridge, and then even if you cut along the ridge, folks.
Here.
Right.
Here it is.
It's not.
Here.
Okay. So we're gonna just cut off that.
Okay, so
All right. So we cut this.
right. Can I say something?
Uh-huh.
That is the same. So whatever we do here, we just make two. One for over here and one here.
Uh-huh. Well, you do it. You can't just. You have to flip it.
Oh, to
And
do
flip
the
it, it's
one over
wrong.
there.
Hold this. Or so we're gonna.
I can see that.
All right. So here we go. We're gonna cut this material accordingly. Right along the mark. Once you cut it, that's it. Dog eat your supper. Can't fix it again. Here we go. Turn Taylor. Taylor.
We're going to follow that.
Then how we gonna do it?
The ridge over here, so no.
Yeah. All right. So here you go.
But wouldn't you want to cover that up?
No. Was right. But it's too late. Because if you cover this, it's gonna have a problem. So maybe you can put another piece on this. If you didn't know where to cover it, it's not gonna look good.
All right. Since here we could probably. Yes, back here so it's all right. So we could probably and just cover.
Not gonna look good.
L'Oreal. Something, even if it have little crease, that's fine.
If he said
That showing don't look good.
go here and then take another piece and go.
It's on it. L'Oreal, let the thing point on it.
Do this and then take another piece.
Can we go to Google and ask how they would do that?
So what we're doing right now, folks, is to clean the surface with alcohol so that the material can stick onto the damaged section. Just clean wherever is damaged. All right. Let it dry. We're gonna let it dry. And so now, anytime you think it's dry, let's go. Okay. All right. So you can catch. I'm gonna cut this off. Doesn't make any sense. All right, so this goes around this.
So in this case, do you want us to start here, and whatever leave we put it up there.
This fan is fine. So we have to put it here. You do it. You just say you want to cover it up?
Yeah.
So we push it back.
No, may push it back because we're gonna start here. We're gonna start here and get it
Okay.
over that thing.
And now we just cover it down to here.
We just need to cover up the damage area. Just the damage area.
Alright, so you want to start there, or we start up here?
You decide what we're doing. We already decide. We're gonna start here and then.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're peeling it back. Peeling it back. Go ahead and peel it back. Okay.
Remember, we're gonna and then pull it back somewhere.
Okay, crease it, hold it up. Peel it back like this, so. And we're gonna set the first piece.
Really did put on the one around the head so you could just
Okay, we're going. We're going 1 inch over.
1 inch.
Or ½ inch, if it's up to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You go ahead.
Put it over that side.
It's not holding on to it. It's not holding down. I'm going to use it the hair dryer. No, stick down as well. Alright, so just keep straight.
Earl, could you put that someplace I'm going to finish? We can show the finished product because over here, so we need it down here. So
Okay.
we need it over more here,
Over where?
this side.
Now we're going to leave this side exposed. We mark it here already now. With this curve.
Yeah.
So what?
No, we can't do nothing now.
What do you mean? You know watch? That's a Kingston.
Yeah, it's Kingston Earl. What's up?
Hey.
Hi.
Sorry.
What y'all doing?
Trying to patch.
Check off that junk off of the couch and trying to patch the patch this. Put on a. Okay.
So y'all trying to save the couch, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was a very expensive couch. And we have that covering over it for a while, so we decide, let's see if we can.
Okay. While I peel it, you bring it. Yeah. So look like you're going to the beach.
Where y'all going?
Nowhere. Nowhere. Just trying to be cool.
Oh. Hey,
We will do
what's up?
we will do a restaurant tomorrow. But that's
Eh?
it. We will do a restaurant tomorrow.
Oh.
Oh, oh, yeah.
And if you didn't know, well, we work it out tomorrow. And we have it's okay.
Yeah.
It will go with mommy.
So this pasta, I mean, salmon pasta.
Oh yeah.
Put this in the fridge, try to make things I'll put it in the fridge.
I'm sure there's some cookies.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some,
We get this and then we come. Come.
hey, you're going to do it right now?
Yeah, the way I say what to do.
All right.
Curtin can if they want to eat. You guys want to eat?
Oh no, we good.
Yeah.
Want some pasta over and I made some chocolate chip cookies with walnuts.
Oh, so you already eat? Okay. Some
We do
I
the
did
center
some-
straight back.
chicken wings there if you want to try.
Feed it.
Over there is fine?
Yes, we look at your side. Not press it too much, feed, smooth it in. Smooth it in.
Everything I can do is look at your YouTube.
You can do today? I mean,
It shouldn't be too.
this is the 21st. Oh, well, if you have time, you want to look at it.
What happened?
I was helping with the YouTube.
Alright.
They said they have to send us a notification
Whoa.
for the payment.
So what amount did you get?
It's 100.
Okay, so you make the first 100.
Yeah.
Now you get to
And they said they expect a payment between 21st and 20.
Oh, you trying to put this on top of the
Yeah.
armrest?
Cover it
now
up.
it's gonna let you send the payment later.
Right.
So
So we have to wait until they notify.
you can do it anytime.
Eh? Okay, we can look at it. Lord Jesus.
So you found a similar color.
Yeah.
That's
Someone's
close-
telling her,
closest we can
let's go in the
find.
crease, but she says she want to cover this thing and it's not covering. So might as well we just cut it into the crease.
Well, all we have to do is to use the dryer, warm it up, and put it down here.
So how are you gonna do this section? We have to crease it.
Yeah, it can crease
Right.
because it's a curve. It's a, so we have to.
Okay. You get to try and do that. See if we can beat it now. Squeeze it out.
The week gonna look at.
Huh?
The week's gonna look at.
Yeah.
I see your truck back. You got it fixed.
That's a $2,000.
It's just what they charge for that.
So
Child-
what was wrong with it exactly?
We'd have to look at the thing. Something to do with the steering wheel control, something inside to talk to the computer. So it wasn't registering. So they had to remove some gadget inside there.
Control arm.
In the steering column.
Okay.
And then that has to be talked to the computer. So they finally, and they said one of the solutions is to change the battery. So I said the battery is new. She insists on changing the
How
battery.
long you had the battery?
Less than a year and a half. So I tell him give him back my battery. So I bring the battery and put it in the garage. Because he may pay for a brand new battery when we don't need it. Yeah. All right. So you want to look at this thing?
Yeah.
Alice, you
Yeah, we can do it.
heat it up a little bit.
Bring it up and I'll go through the steps and see what it says.
Oh.
Laptop is best.
Laptop best, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's like how that's it.
Yeah. No, this is a hard drive. You
The charge is
want charge?
Sure.
Boy, you broke this thing here, 14%. I just asked you about the charger.
Well, you want to charge, you use the one over there, the set, or you. What kind of head do you use?
Oh, the smooth. Just the smooth straight across.
This one. This one?
Yeah.
Charging? Oh. Okay, great. It's like the movie. Dead man and put his finger there. Bring the hair dryer on, we heat it up and then try it.
I have to cut off part of this. Come and show you. Yeah? I have to
Yeah.
cut.
Okay, let me cut it. Just trim up this, folks. Let's.
Make it so it can match that.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Huh?
Congratulations. This is how it starts.
Oh, it's it?
This is how it starts.
Oh,
So
that's what it.
3 straight years of videos.
3 years at $100. 3 years. That means have you a broke man? Can't make the money on that version. Did that interest though? We confirm it.
Which section you have it?
Huh?
The routing number on a check is the first set of 9 digits located in the bottom left corner.
So so
Also known as the ABA number.
okay. So what? Like I said, whichever is the longest number, that's the checking number. The checking account number is the longest number. The
Okay.
routing is usually the shortest number.
It has 9 digits.
So the routing has 9 digits.
Yeah. It said a routing number on a check is the first set of 9 digits located at the bottom left corner. So the routing number is the first number.
That is a 4.
Yeah, these 4s. 3, 6.
Okay.
Okay.
So you see the first, second number on the left.
I guess I'll put all the zeros.
See a copy of it here. Routing number is the first. Set a
Oh,
number.
yeah,
The account number is the middle.
yeah. 96. July 16. Oh, it said you get a deposit of less than 25 cents. And you gotta tell them that deposit was to verify.
So we had to go out and get super glue, folks, because this thing is not working. So it's not everything you see on the market is lovely. This glue, this material doesn't hold on. So we got some super glue and we'll see if we can glue this down. And the super glue, it's basically 0.3 of an ounce. It's not even 3 ounces. I thought it 3 ounces. When we were getting it, I thought they said 3 ounces. 0.3 of an ounce. It's nothing. So this is, it's not gonna work as we think. So let's try it. This is ridiculous. They're selling things on the market and okay.
Focus mostly on the edge here.
Mm-hmm. See, not even a hold up. You should read it instruction first. See if it's supposed to dry.
Straight dry calcium. And maybe as you go along you
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Didn't know how hold on. That's what I was trying to do. Hold on, Tom.
oh, maybe it needs a little bit more time.
So I'm like pinching it in.
Try a little bit before you put it down.
Put some on this too. Let's see if it's a 2-action thing. See? That burn my eyes. That glued on the shucks. That glued this down. See? now hold on on the chair.
Hold on for it a little bit longer before you let it go.
It hold me. Now hold long on the material. Glue me down. They're ridiculous. Not everything you see on the market, folks, works unless we're not doing it the right way. I'm still trying. Maybe we have to hold it down. Let's say. Hold it on.
Yeah. Yes. You want me to bring you some metal?
Metal.
Something metal so your finger won't be on it?
Mm-hmm. We could use a toothbrush,
Okay.
but we can't hold on all of it. Let's say dry it, kind of dry it first.
You say excess glue can cause delayed and failed hold. Apply a small amount of Gorilla Super Glue to one surface, only 1 drop per square inch.
Oh,
Recommend. Set time can vary based on amount of glue and the type of surface glued. Excess glue will cause that. Press the two surfaces together for about 10 to 45 seconds.
okay.
Wait 24 hours for full cure. After use, wipe off any excess that remain
Yeah.
and the nozzle or bunch with a dry cloth before replacing cap.
Okay. Hold me instead of. Hold me instead of. Hold it down. It's still. All right. We're trying. Gorilla Glue, Super Glue. I don't know. Well, watch what you get on the market. Still trying, but we'll see. Well, folks, this is the finished product for the second couch handles that did. And sorry I didn't tape it when I was doing it. I doubted myself. But here we are. We do as I was suggesting, that we should stop at the curve and look, as it has some crease, but this one looks better than, and even this one is even better than all of them. So it seems like it takes practice to really get this thing down. But surprising, if you know why the leather is not sticking to the other one, you can let us know. You let us know. But here we are. Looks like, here we go. Looks like a covering for the hedges. And so this one is still giving us trouble. Look at it. Still not holding down. That was the first job. So this is basically a demonstration how to recap your couch cap your leathery couch with some material. And we tried it. For the most part it worked. For the most part gave us trouble. So take it what it is and try your luck. Couch rejuvenation or renewing. See you on the next tape. This has been a struggle. Bye.